What's good? What's good? It's Sir Willoughby, the Stock Hustler, and welcome to the Hustle House. And today I want to bring to you some good market update data that we have coming on this week. I want to talk to you today about JUMIA. That's the African Amazon. I brought that to you a few weeks ago. We're going to also talk about Sofi. We're going to get into RIVIAN, DRAFTKINGS, and I also have an earnings banker that I want to bring to you also. But let's get into it. We're going to talk about the economic data that we have coming this week. On Wednesday, we got the CPI data being released. On Wednesday, you will see on the June 12th, we have the CPI data that's going to be released on 8:30 on June 12th. That data is going to be very, very vital because on the same day, we got rate decisions coming in. If the Fed's going to cut rates, or are they gonna cut rates? Are they gonna rate hike? What are they gonna do? Are they gonna leave it the same? We don't know what the Fed's gonna do. So this is going to be vital with the CPI data coming in that morning. And we got the Fed rate hike decision or rate cut decision coming in at 2. And you got your boy, old Uncle Jay Powell, coming in to talk at 2:30. You already know how it goes when he talk. When he get to speaking, the market go up and down, up and down. They get real, real crazy when he's speaking. He can be hawkish. He can be dovish. But I'm looking for Jay Powell to come in on the dovish side because Canada just cut rates 25 basis points. That's kind of like a signal. Is America going to cut next? Are we next in line to cut rates? Europe cut rates. Are we next in line to cut rates? But the Fed has said that they're trying to stay in their position at higher rates for longer. Maybe we can see it in Q3, but who knows? But we will find out on Wednesday, and it's going to be heavy volatile. So if you're trading in the market and that's all you know how to do is trade and you don't invest, just be wary that the market's going to be up and down, all because of this economic data that's coming in. And on Thursday, we got PPI coming in. So just keep all that in mind. If we get a sell-off tomorrow, just keep all that in mind. But right now, let's get into some of these stocks and see can we hustle. I brought you guys Jumia at 550, 650. I alerted Jumia again at 650. This is the old Trident chart for Jumia. I'm going to make a new Trident chart so people can find out where they can get in, where they can fit in now at the $8 range. But I alerted Jumia at 650. Jumia recently ran up to $8. If you got in at this 650 range, you really got you some money. You hit the home run with Jumia. I just wanted to bring that to you guys' attention for an update on Jumia because I really like this company. It's the African Amazon, and it's trading like it's supposed to be a good company. So this is the reason why Jumia went on this run today. Jumia went on this run because it opened up and integrated 2 new warehouses outside of Morocco. So that's 2 big new warehouses that they got to supply and distribute these items, these e-commerce items to their customers. So they can, they got Africa, they're moving into the Asian space. So they can supply these areas with the warehouse and they have the e-commerce side. I mean the pay as you go, the Easy Pal, the Credit Pal, they have all that in place. They are making great deals in the last couple of weeks. I love to see this for this company. They continue to grow, and today they hit an all-time high, 870. This company hit an all-time high, 877. When I got this screenshot, it was at 840. But just know, if you got in at 650, you hit the home run, baby. You hit the home run. So just keep your eye on Jumia, and I will be coming up with a new Trident chart for Jumia Technologies, ticker symbol JMIA, so you can get in at the $8 range. There's still room to make some money on this company as it's growing. Let's move on. All right, so right here, I got ticker symbol ASO. This is Academy. I have Academy Sports. If you know about Academy Sports, you can go there. You can get all your sporting good equipment. Academy Sports report earnings tomorrow before the bell. So Academy earnings is important to me because this will let us know ahead into the CPI data where the consumer's standing at. Is the consumer still spending like the consumer's supposed to spend? It's summertime, so if the consumer not spending a lot in Academy, I mean the consumer, pardon me. I mean, the consumer doesn't have a lot of cash to spend. They're not spending enough stuff on sports stuff in the summertime. What are they spending their money on? most people are probably holding their cash. But if we can get good earnings out of Academy, that means the consumer dollar is still probably strong in the market. Well, I see entries. Well, I see a good entry at on Academy. I see a good buy zone right here at $53 to $55. I would get in between $53 to $55. I prefer to get in between the 53 to 54 range, but at 56 and $60, I would wait because it has a strong resistance at 656 and it has another strong resistance at $60. So in that range, I would typically wait for it to fall back into my buy range, and that buy range I'll be getting into that. If I get in that, I like to get in right here at the stop loss. I set my stop loss at $52. If it dropped below $52, it can fall to the ground, and we don't know how low she can go. We're not trying to go down there with her. Let's move it on. Let's hustle. Okay, DraftKings. We got DraftKings for you. One thing, I brought DraftKings to the family like a month ago. I set my tried and tried up. DraftKings broke that resistance, broke that support and fell below $39. So now DraftKings has set and consolidated. I'm sorry, pardon me. DraftKings broke below 39, sat at $34, consolidated at the $34 range. You know, we're gonna keep it real, we're gonna keep it raw with you, family. If I fuck up, I fuck up. Sorry. But it sat at the $34 range, recently bounced off of $34 and reach back up to about $39, $38 range. Why I see for a good entry at for DraftKings, and I would be buying in this area. I'm not telling you to buy, hold, or sell any of these plays. I'm bringing these plays to you. I'm hustling these plays. This is how I hustle. Trying to see if you're trying to learn how to hustle like me. So I would get into DraftKings right here at $38 to $40. In that range, I ride up to the top. Maybe we can fill that gap where she gapped down at. And that's what I'm potentially aiming to do. Get in at 38, 37, 38, 37, 30, and 40. Fill that gap all the way up to 41, 46. See, can we catch the train to the promised land? Also, if I would wait between $41 and $46, I will not jump in DraftKings between $41 and $46. As you can see, it has a top number 46.29, whereas at strong resistance, if typically hit that, it's gonna fall back down. But if you see another, you got a short resistance right here at that 43, 44 range. So I would accumulate in my buy zone. Okay, we got RIVIAN. RIVIAN blew our tried and tried out of the water right after earnings. It fell down all the way down like to $9 to $8. It came back recently, consolidating right here in this $10 and $11.50 range. If you're looking at Rivian got earnings coming up soon. Rivian earnings was better last quarter. No, they're not a profitable company, but they are moving ahead. They are moving ahead. They're delivering more cars and they're producing more cars to be to the consumer. So if you're looking to get into Rivian, yes, it's kind of on the high side right now. I will wait between $180 and $13. You got that good resistance at $12.13. So right there, I would strongly wait. I would get in right here between $10 and $11.50. I would preferably get in the $11.50 range. But if it typically may not fall back down to that $10 area. So if you can get in at $11.50, I'll try to get in at $11.50. Anything below $11.80, I'll be trying to enter into Rivian. I would set my stop loss at $9.80. If she fall below $9.80, it could potentially go right back down to that $8.25 range. You don't want to fall back down to the ground with it. We're going to hustle it. We ain't going to fall to the ground with it. You feel me? Let's move on. All right, we got the big dog Sofi. Yeah, we got the big dog on the board. Yeah, we got the big dog Sofi. Sofi has been consolidating this $7, $6.80, $7.25 range for like 2 months now. You feel me, family? It's been consolidating here for like 2 months now. So we can get into Sofi at 680, between 680 and 780. We can ride that wave, accumulating heavy shares, wait for that pop out above into the $8 and the $10.50 range. We'll be looking real good. I will wait above here, but I would preferably enter here. Right here is right there at that $6.80 and the $7 range. It's bouncing off that $6.80 and that $7 range for you to get in where you can fit in. And that's preferably on the low end. So this is a great buy zone for Sofi. I would set my stop loss at 650. I set my stop loss at 650. If it hits 650, I'm out to play. If you want to learn more and get more of these insights, and you want to learn more how to passively invest and how to trade stocks and scalp stocks for yourself, get your own, tried it, join the Stock Hustler University. The link will be in the description. Join the Stock Hustler University, join the community, and you come hustle these plays like we do every day. You get exclusive buy and sells from me. You get exclusive watch lists, news data, all that coming clean to the Discord. So you don't have to do that work, but you do need to do your own due diligence, because I'm not telling you to buy, hold, or sell. This is not financial advice. These are my plays, and this is how I'm hustling. Hope you can hustle with me. And remember, proper preparation prevents poor performance. Motivation plus dedication equals progression. Invest wisely. Let's go. Take it easy, fam.